Well, we started our project around December, and we finished it up actually a couple weeks ago, and it turned out really well. So one of the first things we did is rip out all the old carpeting and we put in a new laminate. We got this fun light fixture from Etsy, and I did a wallpapered wall, kind of feature wall in a couple different areas in the space with this fun buffalo check print. And this really was a labor of love. I made my husband sand down the ceiling and the walls and retexture everything because it was kind of a funny half moon texture. We installed some sconces, all new lighting down here, all LED. We kind of created a feature wall from the back wall here. This used to be kind of like a stair-stepped region. There is granite rock underneath part of this. So we were trying to maximize the space for storage. We added just stock cabinetry, created a couple shelves here in the middle for display and for extra storage. And then we added kind of some, because it was a stair-step type situation along this wall, we added in some additional storage with these shelves, and we kind of tried to hide it a little bit with the shiplap going across. So, but obviously it's there, and we needed all the storage we can get down here because this is our kids' rec room, namely, and there is a horde of Legos and Nerf guns and puzzles and games and everything behind here. So you can see. Obviously, we've got a couple books, and we've got all that stored down here, and then some extra baskets for, cars, toy soldiers, whatever we've got, some more games, and then this is kind of gaming central here, where we have all of our audio visual and stuff that the kids like to play with. I did a basket for all their controllers. Lord knows how many different systems we have with controllers. Kind of a fun feature that's hard to see right now because all the lights are on down here while I'm filming this is I did an LED light setup behind the TV. So you can change colors. It could be purple, it could be green, it could be turquoise, it could be orange. And it's kind of neat. So it was just a fun kind of feature for when we do family movies and stuff like that, because we can turn all the lights down and just have that and then the movie on, which is good. We have a whole storage space back here, but we repainted all the doors, replaced all the hardware, of course, all the new flooring. One of my favorite parts is we created a family snack bar, and we didn't want a plum. It was just excessive, and we have a sink kind of in the other room, so we didn't need to necessarily have a sink in this space, but we did add a fun retro fridge, and this is like the only time you'll ever see it looking like cribs because the kids have gone back to school. And it's actually got something in it because they've gone back to school, so they can't sit here and enjoy all the juices and Snapples and whatever else we have in there. But a little bar area for mom and dad. We have a popcorn machine down here so we can pop popcorn, some snacks, adult drinkware up top. And then our big splurge for this space was we did purchase a LoveSac Sactional. I absolutely love this thing. We can reconfigure it for sleepovers. So this can become a full bed. It could become a sectional with an ottoman. It could become really pretty much any darn thing you want it to be. Right now, we've really maximized the seating. We can get all of us on this couch for family movie night, so it's really nice. And then we also have the huge LoveSac, which they use perpetually for gaming. But I'm really happy with how this rec room turned out. And we haven't been able to do a ton of projects to this house yet. We've kind of just been doing them one at a time, but this winter I think we'll make some steady progress in our space, and I'm just happy we were able to finish this one.